Located west of the United States Capitol, the Ulysses S. Grant Memorial is a bronze and marble masterpiece. Its equestrian statue of General Grant, recumbent lions, and charging cavalry and artillery groups convey drama and emotion, attracting millions of visitors each year. Unfortunately, decades of exposure to the elements have resulted in disfiguring corrosion, stained marble, and damaged and missing bronze pieces. The architect of the Capitol conserved the memorial by cleaning, repatinating, and coating the bronze components. We also replaced about 100 lost and broken pieces with new bronze castings. Finally, we repointed and cleaned the marble pedestals. The conservation of this great national treasure exemplifies the architect of the Capitol's ongoing commitment to serve, preserve, and inspire.